In this video, we will talk about how to find trigonometric ratios value in easy way without memorizing it. Now, let's take equilateral triangle with the side length A. Now draw a perpendicular. According to the property of the triangle, if we draw a perpendicular, it intersects the side and angle into two equal parts. Now split it into two triangles. Now apply the Pythagoras theorem into right triangle ABC to find the value of BC. Now putting the value of AC, AB and BC in this equation. Now solve for the value of P. Now we got the value of P equal to root 3a by 2. Now we know that the sine theta is equal to the perpendicular by base. So perpendicular is BC and base is AB. On putting BC and AC value, we get the value of sine 60, which is equal to the root 3 by 2. Similarly, we can find the value of other ratios. Other three ratios are the reciprocal of these ratios. So we can easily find the value of those three ratios. Now to find the values at 30 degree, for simplicity we rotate it by 90 degree. Now applying same method, we can get all the values at 30 degree. Now to find the value at 45 degree, we consider the isosceles right triangle with side length A. Now we can find the value of AC by using Pythagoras theorem. Now we got the value of H equal to root 2a. Now applying same method, we can get all the values at 45 degrees. Now to find the value of tan theta at 90 degree, let's consider the right triangle initially at 45 degree. Now increase the value of theta to nearly 90 degree. Now we observe that length of AB becomes 0, so tan 90 degree is infinity or not defined. Here we observe that the length of BC nearly equal to AC. So sin 90 equal to 1. Here we observe that AB nearly equal to the 0. So cos 90 equal to 0.